You're almost at that 4K.
That's 1147 on Echo.
4,000 subscribers, man. I tell you, 4,000, man. I remember when I was struggling to get 2 or 3. It took me like 2 or 3 months just to get 3 subscribers. That was crazy, man. Eric, you got to start somewhere, right?
Delta 803 on Juliet, Shore 34 Center, Tower 199.
All right, we got our speed down, y'all. Okay, we're good now. Set our auto brakes at 3. Cabin is ready. Cool, cool, cool. We're ready to bring her in now, y'all. $5 grand, 5,000 bucks. Hey man, what is that, man?
Tower 3365, Seattle Tower, from a 34 left, clear 2 and wind 0307.
Overture? Overture. Oh yeah, I'm gonna still look into that, man. $5 grand? You said a ticket? Shoot, man, that's I don't know about that one, man. Damn.
Top 3, we're kind of loaded on the left right
folks,
now, so
we're,
you can start on Tango.
We are
Tango and
about to.
Inverse.
Let me show you where we're out on the map, y'all. We're about to touch ground here shortly, y'all. Check it out. Yes, we are. Be on this ground here very shortly.
They lost 580, Seattle Tower, 34 left, clear 2 and wind 04.
So we arrive at runway 34 left. Let's approach into Seattle.
Top 3 tower. Top 3, you got the aircraft on a cat approach.
The runway in front of us. Visibility of airport right there in front of us at our 11 o'clock. All right, y'all, let's bring her in.
Tower American 2101, Iowa, only 34 left.
Hey, American 2101, Seattle Tower, runway 34 left, clear 2 and wind 0310.
Total last 34 left, American 2101.
Tower 3365, exit Echo, Shore 34 Center, Tower 99. Airlines 2313, Seattle Tower, from a 34 left, cleared 2 land, wind 0309.
Seattle traffic, this is United 1979, current final approach, runway 34 left. right, gears coming down.
Up to 580 on Echo, hold short 34 center, tower 199. Up to 620, Seattle runway 34 left, cleared 2 land, wind 040 there. Up to 580, tower 119.91. Direction 2101, exit Echo, hold short 34 center, and tower 199.
Alright, folks, gonna pause the music here. Get that game face on here real quick, folks. Bring her in.
Horizon 2313, exit Juliet, hold short 34 center, tower 199. Three tower. Okay, we can get you going on the left after the short final arrival. Short 34 left at Romeo.
500.
Top 3 from Romeo, proceed on to runway 34
50.
left.
30. 10.
Up to 620, exit Echo, hold short of 34 center, tower 199.